Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Boy guys, there's never a dull moment in our country, Jamaica. You know, this morning early an explosion has shattered the ATM machine in Port Antonio. No one knew the cause of this incident. I was talking to somebody the other day and said that when it's not flood, it's fire, and now it's explosion. And this is a cause for concern, guys, because you know that the ATM machine is something that we use, daily, because now the banking system has changed up. You no longer can do certain transaction when you go into the bank. They are referring you to the ATM machine, right? So this incident is a high opener. Well, after the police and the firemen investigated and searched the area, they found a man in the rubble. This man was seriously injured and he was taken to the hospital. Guys, thank God no one else got hurt, because at that time of the morning you would find that the ATM machine would be crowded. But give God thanks, let us pray for the speedy recovery of this gentleman. Hope that he will survive the incident that took place this morning. But guys, I have a question. Who is going to pay back that money that was destroyed this morning in the explosion? Who is going to pay back that money? Guys, please comment down below. Give me your opinion on what you think is going to happen with the payment of this money. Well, I don't know that. I know that in Jamaica we have to pay taxes for everything, so I know that it's going to come from our pockets to pay back these money. Guys, thanks for watching, and give me your opinion on this whole matter this morning with the ATM explosion. Comment and tell me what you think or actually happened, what you think. Right, remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more info, and give me a suggestion of what to talk about. Thank you for watching. God bless you and peace out.